Please hit the button of subscribers and get the bell button. You all time support me see more video in my channel. Thank you. Growing your own vegetables is a simple way of getting more of them in your diet. Plus, there are other health benefits to gardening. Research shows that any reconnection with nature has physical and mental healing effects, such as lower blood pressure and reduced stress. But that doesn't have to mean back-breaking labor. It's easy to grow fresh veggies and herbs using containers on your balcony or in your backyard, regardless of its size.